Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariane. I am a luxury travel advisor based in Vancouver, Canada, and today we are here in Lyon, France. I am so excited to be bringing you along today. We are here with AMA Waterways on the Amacello, and we are doing the Lyon tasting tour. We are unfortunately here in Lyon for just the morning, and then we will be sailing to Vienne this afternoon. So let's get the day going and see what Lyon is all about. After a light breakfast, we started our culinary tour of Lyon, which was also a walking tour of the Old Town area of Lyon. Our guide did an amazing job of explaining the history of Lyon and the city's layout. Lyon is the third largest city in France and the capital of the Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes region, and is arguably France's gastronomical capital as well. Lyon was known to be the capital of the Gauls during the Roman Empire and later an economic hub during the Renaissance. The district we were exploring today of Old Lyon are inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Lyon also has a series of hidden passageways, or traboules, which locals still use to this day to access apartment complexes and other streets more easily. These are primarily located in the Old City and helped prevent the Germans from occupying the city completely during the Second World War. It was then time to stop for a bite to eat. We tried a local brioche with pink pralines. You could actually smell it in the air before we even spotted the bakery. It was so buttery and delicious. We made our way through more of the hidden passageways and viewed more of Old Lyon, where some homes and buildings had been very well preserved, and some of these houses are from the 1300s. We stopped into another restaurant for some local meats, cheeses, bread, and of course some local wine. We finished that off with some locally made chocolates, sweets, including the pralines that were in the brioche we had tried earlier. We then walked back to the Amacello in time for us to start sailing onwards to Vienne. We passed under some of the bridges that we went under last night, however this time obviously in the daylight. Soon after, we arrived to the confluence, or the joining of the Saône and the Rhône rivers. We would now be sailing on the Rhône River from this point onwards. Today I tried the bistro lunch that is served every day in the main lounge. This is a lighter fared lunch compared to the meals that are served for lunch down in the main restaurant. My spaghetti with olive oil, parmesan, and chilies was served as we approached our first lock on the Rhône River. was known as an important area for the production and weaving of silks. This is still true to this day, with a handful of artists and production houses located in Lyon, one of which did a live demonstration on board the ship during our afternoon sail. A couple hours later of scenic sailing, we arrived into Vienne. I opted to stay on board the ship, so I canceled my late afternoon excursion to get some work done and also rest, as we had a very busy first few days on this river cruise. For dinner, I had the tempura baked tiger prawns for my appetizer, followed by the ranch seasoned roast turkey for my main. For dessert, I had the Granny's apple pumpkin pie, served with ice cream and maple syrup cream. Hi friends, so I really hope you enjoyed my visit here. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button down below, as there are a few more episodes in this Emma Waterways Amacello series still to come. And again, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!